In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide zero values in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we have zero values from here. And if you want to hide the zero values in your Microsoft Excel sheet, click on the File tab and here click on More, click on Options. Now the Excel options will appear. Click on the Advanced button and then scroll down and you just need to simply look for the option display options for this workbook, and then here you have here this option display options for this worksheet. So it's under the display options for this workbook. Okay, so once you find the display options for this worksheet, you will find the option show a zero in cells that have a zero values. So in order to hide the zero value, simply uncheck it and click on OK. And as you can see, all the zero values are not present right here on our Microsoft Excel sheet. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.